Hello class, Mr. Ferguson here with a review video on how to find the area of a composite figure. It has been a little while since we've done composite figures, so the first thing we need to remember is that we want to kind of label each individual shape so we know the shapes that we are trying to find the area of. We have a half circle or semicircle, we have a rectangle, and I have a triangle. So I know that means I have to find the area of each of these shapes. I'm going to start with my half circle here. In order to find the area of the half circle, I'm going to use the formula pi times radius squared divided by 2. Since this length is given at 4 centimeters, I know that half of that is my radius. So my radius is 2 centimeters. So I'm going to say area equals pi times my radius squared, which in this case would be 2 squared. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. So area equals pi times 2, or 2 squared is 4. And I will divide that by 2. We're going to use 3 for the value of pi for this problem. So I'm going to have 3 times 4 divided by 2. And I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the area of the half circle is 6 centimeters squared. That was kind of step 1. Take a moment, pause the video if you need to. Step 2, we're going to find the area of my rectangle. To find the area of a rectangle, I need the measurement of the base and the height. I can look at my diagram and see that the top measurement is 6, which means that this measurement is 6 centimeters as well. It gives me a measurement of 10 centimeters all the way across the bottom, but since I know the rectangle part is 6, that means this part would be 4 centimeters for my triangle. The height of my rectangle is given at 4 centimeters. So we need to do base times height. So my area equals 6 times 4. So the area of my rectangle is 24 centimeters squared. Just base times height. Ooh. So hard to see. But we're doing base times height. 6 times 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. So the area of the rectangle is 24 centimeters squared. Finally, I need to find the area of the triangle. To find the area of a triangle, we're going to use this formula here. Area equals base times height divided by 2. If I look at my triangle here, my base is 4 centimeters, and my height is given also right here. This measurement is 4 centimeters, which means this measurement, or the height of my triangle, is 4 centimeters. So we'll take, again, area equals base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to take 4 times 4 and divide by 2. 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2. So the area of my triangle is 8 centimeters squared. Our final step is to then add the area of all 3 of our individual shapes. So I'm going to take 24 plus 8 plus 6. Add all of that together, and you get 38 centimeters squared for the area of our composite figure. Pause or replay the video as many times as needed. Hopefully this helps.